Oh, excuse me.
Here. Your wig came off.
Excuse me? Oh, that's not mine.
It's not yours?
Jeez, you can just open up any of these and
You
people.
did not steal.
That's not good. Oh, what's that?
It's not yours?
Oh, I guess it is, huh? How's that look?
Just the number back.
Does it look all right?
Yeah, it's okay. I lost my money.
Oh,
I'm sorry. Oh. Yeah.
oh, that's not mine.
Oh, it's not.
Hey, who's doing my hair? Hello. Taking my hair for? Don't be making fun of my hair now.
Oh, I guess it is mine, huh?
That's scary.
Me too.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
It's okay.
Yeah, they come off easily, don't they?
Yeah. Because you know we will use this in the month.
Oh, excuse me. I must have a cold.
Your hair is on the floor.
Oh, that's not mine.
Look at that. Look.
Oh, excuse me.
Is that yours?
Oh, no, that's not mine.
Okay. No, somebody just, it's not quite Halloween. Somebody just threw a wig on the floor.
Huh. Yeah. Oh, man, I can't beat this price from. Oh, excuse me. Got a cold. Oh, that's not mine.
Oh.
Oh. Maybe it is, huh? I didn't realize I sneezed it right off, huh? Is this right? Did I put it on right? What?
Looks good.
It looks good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Come, I can't see.
Well, looks fun to me.
Oh, excuse me.
Do you want your wig?
Oh, that's not mine.
Oh, it's not yours?
Oh, where's my wig? Did you see a wig? Excuse me, did you see a wig?
No, I didn't.
Oh, there it is.
No, that's not yours. You just said it wasn't yours. Make up your mind.